How to fix Zenless Zone 0 crashing in PS5. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this issue. So in order to fix it, you first need to verify your game file integrity. This checks for any corrupted or missing game files and repairs them automatically. In order to do it, you need to go to the settings, then go to storage, then you need to go to saved data and game apps or PS5. Then you need to select Zenless Zone 0 and choose verify and repair games files. Wait for the process to complete and then you need to restart your PS5. Afterwards, you just have to update your system software and the graphics driver. So to update your system software, you need to go to the settings, then go to system, then system software, and then you need to update the system software. To update the graphics driver, you need to download the latest driver for your PS5 from the manufacturer's website and install it. You can even try to lower the graphics setting. This will be, however, a temporary fix. If the crashes seems related to resource usage, lowering graphics setting might provide temporary relief. For that, you need to launch Zenless Zone 0, then go to the settings and then graphics. Try lowering settings like resolution, frame rate, and texture quality. Additionally, some users reported success by logging into the game on their phone, first keeping it open and then logging in on PS5. This might be worth a try if the above solutions don't work. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.